Hello, this is a tutorial on FreeBasic, which is a very simple kind of programming program and language. So, first of all, go to your internet browser. You can have Internet Explorer, Google Chrome. It works with any. I'm going to use Google Chrome. Let's go onto it. Just go to the top and just simply type in free basic, no capitals, .net. Enter. And that should take you, in fact it will take you to the Free Basic website. This is the official website. So you just, you'll recognise it by the horse, really. And then there's a menu here, you just go to download. And then, yeah. This is where you download it from. So the Windows 0.230 installer and the Windows 0.230 zip archive are both needed if you have Windows, which I do. And then once you've got the necessary things from here, you go to this middle one down here, which is the FBIDE. So you click on that, and it will take you to the FBIDE website, or the part of the Free Basic website that's dedicated to the FBIDE. So then you go to download bundle. You just click that and it will start to download. What you then need to do, I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to do it again. But what you then do is you go to your documents, and then you go to where it would have downloaded to. So if you've got Chrome, it would be your download folder, or if you've got Internet Explorer, it would be wherever you saved it to. And you scroll down until you find it, and then there these are. So this is the FBIDE. That's the one you need to go into, and you'll see that the logo isn't there. You need to click Extract All, and then Next, and then pick a folder, preferably one that's labelled Free Basic. Click Next, it will begin to extract. Then you need to do that for both the FBIDE and the Free Basic folder as well. Then you need to move this one across because doesn't need to be extracted. So you need to copy that across. So then you simply go to your folder. Mine is called Free Basic. And then your FBIDE should be the one with the writing and the pen. Yeah, so it's very easy to spot. You just double click that, and then Free Basic FBIDE will pop up. There are a few buttons along here which you can have. So what you want to start with is this one, New File. This would be Open a File. This is Save a File. This is Save All, because you can have more than one. For instance, this. To get rid of one, you just right click, Close. Yeah, so to begin with the basics, there's many commands in this software, one of which is print. There you go, you just type in print and then you do speech marks, hello, right, and then all you do now is you click quick run, but you can just press F5 and you should see it pop up and go away. Now that's because it's been through the list of commands and it's done them all, so it just turns off. What you need to do is type in sleep, and then what sleep does is it tells the program not to shut until you press a button, until the user presses a button, you see. So now it's printed hello, and it will not stop until I press any button on the keyboard, and then it'll close the program. So I mean, I could pick anything, I don't know, G, there we go, and it shuts it. So that's the print command. Yeah, no, you can have variables, and for those of you that don't know, variables are basically X, Y, and Z in maths or whatever, and a variable can be called anything and can stand for anything. So you could have a variable called X that could stand for someone's name. I will demonstrate. To declare a variable, you need to type in dim. dim. Very simple. It should go bold if you've got it correct. And then you type in the name you want your variable to be. So I'm going to choose X for this one. Now, this is the most important thing. You have to declare it as something. You have to say as either integer, because an integer is any whole number, or you can have string, and a string is any combination of letters and numbers. So it can be a password involving both letters and numbers. It could be a word, it could be a long number, it could be a simple number of just one character. But a string is what you generally use for words, and integer is what you use for numbers. Alright, so now we've declared our variable X as a string. What we then need to do is go input, and what this does is it tells the computer or the program that the thing that is about to be typed in is in fact the thing that's about to be typed in after the input statement is what the variable is. I'll demonstrate. So input what is your name? Right, now you do not need to put a question mark, because to say that the thing is, you need to put a semicolon. I'll just do it basically. You need to put a semicolon and X, and what that does is it tells the computer that what the person types in after that, after what is your name, is the X is that variable. And the semicolon automatically puts a question mark there. So then you can just go print and then X and then sleep, and that, if you go to the quick run, what is your name? Bob. And then it just says Bob. You can make it a bit more complicated by saying print hello. You have to put a semicolon if you're going to put normal text there as well. So then you compile and run. What is your name? Bob. Hello, Bob. There we go. That's a variable, and I'll continue in the next video.